Welcome back, everybody, to our grand opening special of Super Nintendo World, in which this time around we're going to get underway with our third game, which is going to be High Rollers for the DOS. So let's see how it all goes. Sorry, we're having some tech issues here. I want option 2, please. Yep. Is my name, of course. And today my opponent is going to be Terra. Alright. We're ready to play High Rollers. Let's see how we do. So far we've won no money.
Brand new prizes in column 1. What do we have there, Dean?
We have a home entertainment center with $6,587.
That's only the first column. Moving over to the center, what do we find there, Dean?
In the center, we're going to have artwork with $9,869. And the other one,
here are the prizes in column 3.
big screen TV with $4,688. Potential board value is $21,144. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and put the numbers on the board. The hot column will get us column 1. Okay, the home entertainment center. All right, let's play High Rollers. Here we go. Which one can fly? Is it a plebe or a grebe?
Right.
I've never even heard of those two words, so I just guessed. Let's play. 8. Okay. Thank you. Question 2. Gorgeous TV personality Phyllis George. Is she a former Miss America? Yes, she is.
Right.
Okay. Let's roll those dice again. 5. Okay. All rolls are still good. Let's keep going. True or false? The Swami is a religious teacher. I'll say it's true.
Yes.
It's some tricky questions here, but I've managed to answer them correctly so far. Let's go again. Roll the dice. 3. Okay. The hard way. Next question. Was Benjamin Disraeli once Prime Minister of Germany, Israel, or England? That was England.
Right.
He was Prime Minister of England. Alright, let's keep going. 9, okay. And all rolls are still good. We're on a roll now. Next question. Her name is Tammy Wynette. Has she been called the queen of soap operas, country music, or tennis? She was the queen of music.
Yes.
That one is correct. Alright, ready to do it again? Let's do it. 7, okay. Just give me 6 and 1. And that is the big. Alright, here's the next question. Which is the nut? Is it the Talcon, the pecan, or the praline? That's the pecan.
Yes.
So good rolls would be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11. I'm gonna pass. She got a 10. Is that a good roll or bad roll? It's a bad roll. We'll walk away with something from this game no matter what happens.
And you're going to try to win $10,000 in cash, and I sure hope you do it. We'll be right back.
Here we go.
And now back to Wink and those big numbers.
You know the rules of our game. For every number you knock off, you receive $100 in cash. And if you're successful at darkening all 9 of these numbers, you win $10,000. Along the way, you always have these available to you. If you roll a double, this can get you out of trouble.
10, okay? Give me 9 and 1. All rolls still good. 11, okay? Give me 8 and 3. 3 is a bad roll. Okay. 4. Okay. 3, 4, and 10 are all bad rolls. Here we go. 5. Okay. Good rolls are 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here we go. Ah! Didn't do it. Oh well.
We'll be right back.